Boss, we got a problem. What the heck happened? The crane we used to move the nuclear waste malfunctioned.
The other nuclear waste containers must have been damaged during the accident. We're gonna have to move the rest of the nuclear waste from the damaged containers to new ones. Is the crane still functional?
So what do we do about the spill?
The walls of the facility should be able to contain the radiation from one spill, but if the other containers go, we're in trouble.
But if the crane's broken, how do we avoid the radiation to get to the containers in the first place?
We're gonna need some help. With the parts in front of you, you need to design as many nuclear crane prototypes as you can.
So something like this?
Perfect. In order to be considered a successful design, your prototype must be able to transfer waste from one container to the other container without entering the radiated area or spilling it. Your team would be awarded 1 point for this design.
What about something like this?
Nope. Once a successful design is used, it is considered patented, and no other team can use it. This design would be considered too similar to the first.
So what happens if I put my hands in the radiated area?
Keep all body parts outside of the irradiated zone. This includes areas both above and below the poster board. Also, be sure to keep all hazardous materials and the storage tanks within the designated area. Failure to follow these rules will cause your hands to fall off. Probably.
Okay. So something like this.
Perfect. Another point. The team with the most points wins. Get to it.